It means indirectly you have to prove this. Angle phi equals to 90 minus 1 upon 2 angle x. Now see how to solve this question. This question can be solved in 3 parts, students. There are the 3 steps. I am also going to mention here the 3 steps. Step 1. What is step 1? First of all, you have use this line A, B, E. In first step, you have to use this line A, B, E. Okay? Proof. Step 1. Don't mention this step 1, step 2 in your exam. I have just mentioned here so that you can easily understand and remember that how to solve this question. Even in your copy, you can write with the pencil so that you can also remember during the preparation. Step 1. First of all, ABE is a straight line. So angle Y plus angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. Reason? Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Now, angle 1 and 2 both are equal. So I can convert the angle 2 in angle 1. Remember, always convert the outside angle to the inner angle. Similarly, the angle 4 is converted into the angle 3. Okay. Now, angle Y plus. If angle 1 and 2 both are equal, so I can write here the double of angle 1 because both are equal, which is equals to 180 degree. Now find the value of angle Y from here. That is 180 minus double of angle 1. 180 minus double of angle 1. Clear? Now, that is equation number 1. Now, in that line ACD is a straight line. So similarly, Z34, angle Z, angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. Reason? Same reason is here. Angle on a straight line. Similarly, 3 and 4 both angles are equal, so convert the angle 4 into angle 3 as we have done here. So Z, angle 3 and 4 both are equal, so I can write here double of angle 3 equals to 180. Transfer this angle on this side. Z is equal to 180 minus double of angle 3. That is second equation. That is second equation. Clear? Now, in triangle ABC, step second. Step 2. In triangle ABC, XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equals to 180 degree. Equals to 180 degree. Now, angle X as it is. What is angle Y? Angle Y equals to angle Y. Here is the equation. Angle Y. Here is the Z equation. Angle Y equals to 180 minus double of angle 1. And what is angle Z? This is value of angle Y. And what is angle Z? Angle Z is 180 minus double of angle 3, which is equals to 180. Now open the bracket. X plus 180 minus double of angle 1 plus 180 minus double of angle 3 equals to 180. From here, angle X, 180 and 180, 360. Take the common minus 2 and minus 2 from here. Minus 2 taken common. Here is angle 1 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Now listen, students. Now keep this equation as it is. This is equation number 3. Keep this equation as it is. Now step number 3. So this is given to prove. I am going to raise this. Now step number 3. The lower one triangle BOC triangle BOC. In triangle BOC, angle 1 plus 3 plus 5. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree. But we need angle 1 plus angle 3. We need angle 1 plus angle 3. What is the value of angle 1 plus 3? Angle 1 plus 3 equals to 180 minus angle 5. Let it be equation number 4. Now put equation 4 in equation 3. Means the value of L1 plus 3 put here. Okay. Now I am going to put this value here. Okay, student, I am going to arrange the first step only. Now we have to put this value here. You have to put this value here. Now angle x as it is, because equation 4 put in equation number 3. Angle x as it is plus 360 as it is plus, instead now minus 2. Sorry, minus 2. Now angle 1 plus 3. Instead of angle 1 plus 3, you have to put this value, that is 180 minus angle 5. 180 minus angle 5 equals to 180. 180 minus angle 5 equals to 180 degree. Now open the bracket. That is angle x plus 360 minus 180 into 2, that is 360, minus minus plus angle 5 equals to 180. 360 cut with 360, so angle x plus angle 5 equals to 180. Sorry, 2 is also multiplied by 5. There is 2 angle 5. 2 angle 5. Okay. Now shift the angle x on that side. That's a double of angle 5 equals to 180 minus angle x. Minus angle x. Now 2 is multiplied by angle 5. On this side it is going to divide. Half of 180 minus x. What is half of 180? 90 degree minus half of x. X upon 2. That is angle 5. So now you can match this result with, okay, that you have to prove. It's the same. But you have to prove that BOC equals to 90 minus angle A upon 2. BOC is equal to 90 minus half angle A. You have to prove this one. What is BOC? BOC is angle 5. BOC is angle 5 equals to 90 degree, 90 degree, half. What is angle A? Angle A is x. So x upon 2. And we have proved this, hence proved. Now I am going to revise this question. Listen student, there are only 3 steps. We have followed the 3 steps. In first step, we have used this line and this line. These 2 straight lines we have used in the first step. From here, you have find the value of x and y. This is the first step. But your first step from this line and this line. This is a straight line, this is a straight line. From here, you find the value of y and z. We have find the value of y and z. Then, after that, we have used this triangle ABC, the upper triangle. Upper triangle. Okay, from here, you have formed this equation in which you have taken the common minus 2 and make angle n1 plus angle 3. And from where you get the value of angle 1 plus 3? From the third step. In third step you have used the lower one triangle. From lower one triangle you have to find angle 1 plus 3. We have to find angle 1 plus 3. Now put the angle 1 plus 3, that is from the step 3 in step 1 equation. In the step 2 equation. Means put the equation number 4 in equation number 3. After solve this calculation, you get the result. So 3 steps are there. Remember that. First of all, 2 lines. In first step you have to use these 2 lines. In second step you have to use the upper triangle. In third step you have to use the lower one triangle. Then put the value of the lower one triangle in the upper triangle. Put the value of the lower one triangle in the upper triangle equation. Okay. Then you get the result. This is the procedure. Okay, students. Now, so we have done with the example. Now exercise 6.3. Now exercise 6.3, question number 1. Exercise 6.3, question number 1. It's a very easy question, students. Here is P. S diagram is already given in the question. P, Q, R, 110 degree, 135 degree. Okay, in the question it is given that the QP, RQ are the triangle produces to the side P and S. Means QP and RQ we produce till the point S and T. Therefore, angle is 135 and 110. Let it be angle 1. Let it be angle 2. You have to find PRQ. PRQ means you have to find the angle number 3. Let it be angle number 4. By using a linear, this is a straight line. By using a linear pair property, you can find the angle 4 because 1 plus 4 equals to 180 degree. First of all, given triangle PQR. Angle 1 equals to given 135 degree. Angle 2 equals to given 110 degree. To find which angle we have to find? We have to find angle number 3. We have to find angle number 3. Okay. Now solution. SPQ is a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. Reason linear pair. Angle 1 is 135 plus angle 4 equals to 180. So angle 4 equals to 180 minus 135 degree. So angle 4 is equal to 57445 degree. Now we have to find angle 3. We know that the angle 2 is the exterior angle which is equal to the sum of the two opposite angles. So by exterior angle property in triangle PQR, angle 2 equals to angle 4 plus angle 3. Reason exterior angle property. Angle 2 110, angle 4 we have already find 45 degree, that is angle 3. What is angle 3? Subtract the 45 from 110, that comes to 5, 10 and 4, 65. So angle 3 equals to 65 and angle 4 equals to 45. In this way this question complete. Okay, thank you students.